Hi friends! In 1 minute, we will learn the water cycle with our tiny hero, Splash. This is Splash, a tiny little water drop living in a puddle by the road. One warm morning, the sun shone down. High above the world, Splash met thousands of other drops. Together they became one big soft cloud. That is condensation. The cloud grew heavy and gray. Then down, 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 Splash tumbled back to earth as rain. That is precipitation. He landed on a green hill and trickled into a little stream, rushing all the way down to the river. At last he reached the great wide sea. Splash had traveled the whole wide world. Soon the warm sun will lift him up to do it all again. Evaporation, condensation, precipitation. The water cycle never ends. You learned it in 1 minute.
Bye.